We will discuss about select using table joins. There are two joins. One is equi join and non-equi join. We will discuss about what is equi join, what is non-equi join, and join self table, which is called self join, and view data that is generally not meeting the conditions, using outer joins. We will discuss everything. I'm just briefing you what are all the topics we are going to cover today. Cartesian product using two or more tables. Two or more tables. First we will discuss about why we want to join tables. Because let's suppose in employees ID table, we have employee ID. We have employee ID data. And department ID is exist on both employees table as well as department table, and department name exists only in department table. So for example, if somebody wants employee ID and department name, it can't be taken from one table. If he wants employee name, employee ID, if he wants employee name, employee ID, department name and department name, like employee name, employee ID and department name, I need to join two tables. What are the tables? Employee table I need to join, and then department table. If I join these two tables only, I'm going to get the required output. I'm going to get the required output. Otherwise, I'm not going to get the required output. So for joining the tables, you have some conditions. One is natural join class, using class, and on class. We'll discuss with one example. First, natural join. Natural join is something which is joined. It can be joined naturally. Which can be joined naturally or automatically. Automatically based on the columns. Automatically based on the columns. What are those columns? It should be matching data and type. It should be matching data and type. What is matching data and type means? Here also department ID should exist, there also department ID should exist. If that exists like that, what will happen? You can easily natural join that, because your name here and your name here and your name in the bank account is same. Your name in the passport and your name in the bank account is same. If I want to merge those date tables, I can merge that because your name is same. That's how I may not give the clear example, but it is how, like, this table and that table should have a matching columns and matching data. I'll show with one example. Let me connect to the server. I'm going to connect to server. Give me 1 minute. See, I'm connecting to HR because these tables exist in this thing. So first I'm going to show you departments table. Departments. What are there in departments? There is department ID, there is department name, manager ID and location ID. And then I will going to show you locations table. What is there? Here what is common? Location ID is common. Here also location ID is there and here also location ID is there. Right or wrong? It is number 4 and it is number 4. What is our condition? If you want to natural join, you should have the same type of data and same type of role. Now I can see, select department ID, comma, department name, comma, location underscore ID, comma, city, from departments. See, here what I said, select department ID is there, okay, that is fine. Department name is there, that is fine. Location ID is there, that is fine. Where city came from? City didn't come from departments table. It should come from other table. What I am doing? From departments, natural join. Here I am using this clause. Departments and natural join locations. What it will do? It is going to take that locations. From locations, what it is going to take? It is going to take location ID and city, because location ID is same in both locations and departments. It is going to natural join that thing. Natural join that thing. Same way here I can give where condition also, where clause also. Join locations where a department ID in 20, 50. It can natural join because it's already location ID is same in both departments and locations. So we have seen natural joins and natural joins with where class. Now we are going to see using class. Using classes is what? If I have two or more columns common on both the tables, two or more joins columns on both the tables, what will happen? I can't use natural join because natural join should have only one column common, but here more are so using one of the column I will use always with one of the column. See, we will see first employees table and then departments table. Then we will clearly understand. Describe employees. What are there? Employee ID is there, last name is there. We will see departments also. Departments. What is there? Manager ID, location ID. Manager ID is there. Department ID is there. Department ID is there. Manager ID is there. Two columns are common. So what I need to see? Select employee name. Employee ID, comma last name, comma location ID, comma department ID from employees, join departments. We joined the departments also using, now we are saying use this one, department ID, using department ID. It used department ID and it joined two columns. It used department ID and it joined two columns. What we said? Join from employees, join department, from employees, join departments using this column. Why? Because there are more than one column which is common in both employees and departments table. So we are using only one column. That is how we use using. Then we are going to discuss on natural join using class and then on class. What is this on class? We will see what is on class. I don't have anything common. I want to search it in a different way, like whether based on my conditions. I want to retrieve records on some condition. That's what how I need to do. Describe employees. What I'm doing, describe employees. Here what is there? Department ID is there, right? Okay. and then departments. Here also department ID is there, right? I want to know employee ID, first name, last name, then department ID and location ID. Location ID is here. How do I say location ID? How do I search location ID? There are two things in common. Only one thing in common. What is common between departments and employees? There is manager ID common and there is department ID common. I was going by department ID. I am not joining the class. I am just searching on condition. Select employee ID, comma, last name. Select employee ID, comma, last name. Sorry, here if I am joining two conditions, I need to say a dot employee ID. You can give it any name, not only a, but I'm just giving for your understanding. A dot employee ID, comma, a dot last name, comma, a dot department ID, comma, b dot department ID. You need to watch carefully. B dot department ID, comma, B dot location ID from employees. Employees table, what I'm calling it as A. Join departments. Department side table, what I'm calling it as B. On what is the condition? A dot department ID should equal to A dot department ID should be equal to B dot department ID. If both the departments are equal, then it is going to print that names. If you want to join two tables, you can join on that class also, classes, but you need to specify A dot B dot. You can name it as anything, E dot where employee is equal to E, but here when you are specifying, you need to specify very carefully. Employees table I specified as A and departments table I specified as B. Any questions until now? Please ask me. Okay, same way we can say this thing also, creating three-way joins on class. What we are going to see, we will see first employees table. From employees table there are two things, department ID is common and department ID and departments table. department ID is common, and locations, look, describe, in locations, location ID is common for these two, department and locations table. So I am going to change it like this. Select employee ID, comma city. City is from locations table. It is not in employee table. Comma department name is from departments table. From employees A, join departments B on A dot department ID equal to B dot department ID department ID B dot department ID join locations. For that I am joining locations C on B dot location ID equal to C dot location underscore ID. These three are from three tables. I merged all the three tables because in employees table and department table, when I am joining it, what is the common thing here? Department ID is common. Then for this result I joined locations. What is the common thing? Location ID, and B is department location ID equal to C means locations location ID. For this you can add and condition also, and or where condition, where E manager ID equal to 149. This completes your natural join using class and on class. Using class and on class. Now we will discuss about self join. We will discuss about self join. These are all what equi joins. Equi joins are this. In equi joins you see natural join, using class, on class. Now we are choosing self joins. What is self join? A table joining a table is called self tables. Why we need to do this thing? Let's suppose select employees. If you take this example, here there is an employee ID, right or wrong? Employee ID has a manager ID. Means every employee has a manager. This manager also once again becomes is an employee, right? A manager is an employee and a manager. So this manager ID also have another manager ID. So we can do it two times. Let's suppose select worker dot last name we call it as work name, comma manager dot last name mgr last name from employees. We call it as first worker, employees table as worker, join employees, second we call it as manager, on worker.manager id, worker.manager id is equivalent to manager.employee id. What is the worker last name? Fleur. What is the manager last name of that worker? Vessi. That Vessi has also, this Vessi should also have some manager, right? Who is his manager? Vessi has another manager. Here he is. Vessi has King as manager. Who is King manager? We need to check it. But PQ. King has partners as manager. And what is partners manager? We need to see that. So like this, each and every manager has a employee has a manager and manager has another employee. So you can use the self join. What I did, I joined only one table. What is the table? Employees only. Employees merged with employees. But first time I said employees alias is employees, and second time employees alias is manager. Now we will see about non-equi joins. As of now, what we discussed equivalent equal joins which are same in number and same same column type we discussed. Non-equi joins are not same things. They are different, but they are relative. Let's suppose I'll give you an example. What is this thing is, we are describe employees. There is salary column, right or wrong? There is a salary column. Describe job grades. Describe job grades. Sometimes this job underscore grade. No, describe job. Select table name from user underscore tables where table name like job. Jobs and job history is there. That's all. See, jobs, there is min and max salary. Here what is there? Salary is there. These two are connected in somewhere, right? It is not collected equivalently. Salary is not equal to minimum salary. Salary is not equal to max salary. But somewhere it is connected. So these two can be non-equi joined. How? We'll discuss that. We'll discuss with select statement. Select a comma last name comma a comma salary. These are two from a table. A is what? Employees table. And what we are taking from B table? B dot job title. We are taking B dot job title from employees A join jobs B on a salary between B min salary and B max salary. Select spelling, we gave it wrong. So the salary should be somehow between a max salary and minimum salary only, right? So it give me the job title which is not in employees table also. What command I given? I know the equation between salary should be somewhere between minimum salary and max salary only, right? Somewhere it should be there. In salary should be either max salary or minimum salary, but it should be on between a highest salary and lowest salary only. So I used that cause and I did a non-equi joint. Now we will discuss about outer joints. We'll discuss about outer joints. So, outer joins are three types. What is those? Left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. We will first see about left outer join. So if it is left outer join, I'll try to explain this thing. Let's suppose this is an one table which this name is employees. And there is another table which is departments. If I try to join these two tables, what is left outer join does? What is left outer join does is it will retrieve all the rows in employees table even if there is no match in departments table. Why? Employees is my left. Employees is my left side. So what we are doing? Left outer join. What we are doing? Left outer join. One second, please. So what do right outer join does? If I want to combine both employees and department tables, it will retrieve all the rows of department table, which is my right, even if there is no matches on employees table. So simple as it is. Left outer join means it will retrieve all the rows from my left table if there are no matches in my right table also. Right outer join is it will retrieve all the joins so full outer join is, if I use full outer join means, if I use full outer join, what it will do? It will retrieve all the rows from employees if there are no matches in departments, and the other condition also, it will retrieve all the rows in department table even if there are no matches in employees table. It's just a combination of left outer join and right outer join. We call it as full outer join. Let's see by examples. Left outer join and full outer join and right outer join. Left outer join, we'll take it as example. Select A dot last name, comma A dot department ID, comma B dot department name, A dot last name, A dot department ID, B dot department name, from employees A, left outer join. I'm using left outer join departments. I'm using departments as B. So I'm combination of two tables. What is that? I'm selecting from employees table, I'm selecting last name and department ID. From departments, I'm selecting department name. On A dot department ID equal to B dot department ID. So what should be the result? What will be the result?
Result is last name from the table, employee table, and department name for department table.
What is left outer join means? Even the statement does not, if the statement, this was the statement, if this does not applicable also, left outer join should bring up all the tables, all the rows from my left table. What is left table? Left table is employees, my right table is departments.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm putting in mute. B dot department. Somewhere in one table it should be null. Where it is, I'm not showing. Somewhere it should be null. Null is not equivalent to null, but it will bring out all the rows. See, there is a null character, right? This null character should show me somewhere. 60 where select employee name, comma, department ID, where department ID equal to null. select employee ID from employees. Sorry, select last name, no employee name. Grant. Okay, here we need to see grant. Where is grant? Where is grant? See, okay, we are discussing this. This is null and this is null. If null is never equal to null, right or wrong? Null is not equal to null at any time. Null is not equal to null. But even if that condition doesn't satisfy, it bring me all the things in my left on my left table. That is called left outer join. That is what left outer join is. What is right outer join? The same thing. Even if the condition doesn't meet it, it should bring me the right tables. It should bring me the right tables. Select last name, comma department ID, comma department names, employees A, employees A, right outer join, right spelling, right outer join, department B on the same condition. If this condition doesn't meet also, it should give me all the names and all the names in my right table. So these two conditions doesn't meet, but even if these conditions doesn't meet, it is giving me all the data in my right table, which is departments table. So that's how it should be. And if I give you this, if I give you full outer join, what will give? It will give me both right outer join as well as left outer join. Means the grant will come here and all these will be in the return. We will see that. A, sorry, full outer join, departments B, so it give me all the right which is not matching left, and also it give me Grant, where is Grant? Here. It give me the result on the right side also, which is not matching left. So this is present and these are also present. In the left outer join and right outer join, either this is present or Grant is present. If you need both, you should use full outer join. If you use out, you need full outer join. Cartesian product is, it's like multiplication. Cartesian product is like multiplication. So I'll select count star from employees table. How many rows are there? 107. Select count star from departments. 27. Select last name, comma, department name, from employees, cross join departments. 2889. 2889 rows. We'll select, just we are seeing this. Select, it's 107 into, we'll just calculate, 2889 by 107. How many it should, sorry, 2889 by 107, 27. That is the product of, 27 is the count of departments. I am sure about that. See, it will give me all the result, creating cross join. So you learned equi join, non-equi join, outer join, self joins, cross joins. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, self joins, natural joins and Cartesian products. If you have any questions on this, please ask me.
Hello, sir. So cross join will join two tables or what? What are you doing here?
Even if you don't have the equivalent things, let's suppose describe employees. Describe employees will not have department name anywhere in this table, and describe departments will not have department name. It doesn't have last name anywhere, but I am joining these two tables, means I am bringing all the records into this records. Cartesian is like, multiplication. This many times the last name will come, on the same time department name will come 27 times into 107. That's how it comes in.
Oh, okay. So something that is not common, you are joining those.
Yeah. Not at all common, not at all related. If it is not common but related, we saw that one. When the salary is there, we saw that one. Non-equi join. It is equivalent, it is related, but it is nowhere related. It is a Cartesian, mixed and matched product.
Yes. Do we have class tomorrow or are you coming?
No. Friday I don't have class.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What about Saturday, Sunday?
No. Saturday, Sundays like I have different classes. So like we will meet on once again on Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah. But
I'm still having issue downloading SQL Developer because you told me to put it one in the other folder, but I can't still download it. It gives me error at 50%, and it's telling me to abort it. Maybe it's saying missing file something.
okay, what we can do is you can show me that I'll make you the presenter.
Yes, sure.
Imran, right?
No, Hassan.
Hassan, sorry.
No, Hassan.
Okay, I make you a presenter. So show me the two downloaded products. I'll show you how to mix it.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. So this 1 of 2 and 2 of 2.
Okay.
I downloaded.
Okay. Well, how you should do that is open, right click it,
Right click.
extract to Windows. Yeah, the extract that one. Yes.
Oh.
Do that.
Okay.
Let it do that. Okay. On the same
Shouldn't take very long.
on the same way you need to do the okay, let it continue. In the same way you need to do the second
The other one?
Yeah, second folder also.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do it.
Can I do it now or
Yeah.
wait? Do it?
You can do it.
Okay.
Okay, once those two are completed, those two will have database folder. Two of them will have database. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that.
Okay. I've been struggling for this for so long, but all the time I'm having error. Oh, I think one of them is completed.
Yeah, let it be.
Oh, I got this error.
No, because
Probably
your disk is full. You delete the database. Delete the database folder. No. On the download.
Which one?
The top one, database. The top one. The top one.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that. Okay.
Okay.
Now what do I do?
Retry. No, here retry. No. Yeah, here retry. Yes. Retry. Click retry.
Yeah, I'm clicking. It's not doing.
Go back. Go to the back folder.
Go.
No, on the. No, there are two things, right? WinRAR. Okay, come to diagnostic message. Yeah, that one. Okay, break operations. Close. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Retry.
Okay.
Okay. Close.
No,
Close. You doesn't have space basically. You copy that to wherever your space is there. First copy that folders to wherever you have space.
Can I delete these three now or not?
No, you can't, because like that is not completed, right?
Oh, okay. Because I see I have two of these, one of two, one of two.
Yeah, you can delete
Maybe I
one
can delete one.
not that one, the upper one, yeah. But
Okay.
still your space is not good. Your space, I don't know like how
I
much.
have SSD drive. I have 523 MB. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I can delete something, but I don't know.
You need
We
to delete.
delete. The problem is I have a lot of things, but I don't use it, so I have to delete.
You need to
Maybe
delete
I can delete the VM.
movies first.
No, I don't have movies. I have VMs. These I'm using SCCM, so I'll delete this. Okay. Okay, fine. I should have enough space now. Oh, I wanna empty the recycle bin. Where's the recycle? No, I should have space.
But
No,
where
10 GB space.
but where you are
Okay,
going
so
but where you are going to
no.
where you are going to install your database. Your database needs 4 GB space once again. So delete those two also once again.
I have 10.
Yeah, 10 GB
Those
for
two?
no, the upper two. I want to extract once again. That also.
Oh, extract one second. Delete both of those folders, right? Upper two.
Yeah.
Okay.
And delete from recycle bin.
Okay.
Delete from recycle bin. Okay, now do it. Now do one by one.
Okay, one or two extract to this, right? Okay, that one. Hopefully it will work now. It's almost done with. Yeah, done.
Okay,
Not
open.
what do I do?
Okay, open 2 of 2. Open 2 of 2 first. Okay, there is database. In that database, open database. There is components, stage. Open stage. There is components. Click on that. Okay, copy these four. Okay, copy.
Yeah, copy.
Go to 1 of 1.
This one?
Yeah, database. And then stage, components, and paste here.
Okay. Okay, they are here now.
That's all. And then go to database 1. Yeah, setup. Yeah, database. Yeah, that one. Setup. Run as administrator.
Oh, okay. Run as administrator.
But you should have space.
But the problem is, I think I have space now because I have 10 GB of space now.
Yeah, but
I have 8.2 GB.
yeah, that
still.
should be fine. See why it is failing on 50% is it is going to components folder and searching for the remaining of database 2. Okay, which we are not giving at the first time. So now it should be completed.
Oh, where did it go?
It will come, wait.
It's in, when the screen comes, it's asking me like login and stuff, the email and.
Yeah, you could skip it basically.
Which edition are we supposed to pick? Personal edition or what?
You can take any
Standard or?
basically all the when you are using in laptop, use desktop class and enterprise edition.
Oh. Oh, this thing comes first. Look, environment does not need to. That's okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are the minimum requirements that it is not meeting? You need to see that also.
So click next now.
I wish to receive unmark. I wish. Yeah. Do you wish? Yes. 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 Create and
Next.
Yeah.
Desktop class.
Yeah, that should be fine for you as of now.
Sorry, taking too much time.
It depends on your laptop.
So here, what do I do? Just click next.
Or you can change the character set to UTF-8.
This one, Unicode.
Yeah, so it is based on different language. And administrator passwords you can give welcome one, welcome. It's just for.
Okay, next.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Oh, okay. Welcome. What do you do?
No, it depends. Like welcome 1 2 3 or something like that, or even welcome 1 2
1, 2, 3.
even welcome 1 2 3 will give you the same password, same Oracle. It doesn't meet the Oracle standards. That is fine. Say yes.
Oh.
Say yes.
Now it's the issue comes at 50% usually. Well, hopefully it will be fine now, but
Yeah. If you got any error, let me give me a call. I'll log in back. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.